In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the speed of a clip in your video editing software to create captivating slow motion or fast forward effects. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to import your footage and place the clip on your timeline. Once that's done, you'll want to expand the track's height on the timeline. This helps tremendously because it allows you to clearly see the speed control line. This line is often referred to as the rubber band line and visually represents the speed of your clip. By expanding the track, you make your editing process that much easier to navigate. Next, go ahead and right-click on the clip. If you prefer using the top menu, that works too. Simply select the clip menu. You're going to choose Show Clip Keyframes followed by Time Remapping and then Speed. This action reveals the speed line on your clip, signaling you're ready for precision editing. Now this is where the creative control truly starts. Grab your pen tool, or whatever equivalent tool your software offers. Position keyframes on the speed line exactly where you envision your speed changes occurring. It might take some practice to find the right spots, but trust me, it's worth it. Click on the white line to add a keyframe where you want the speed change to begin, and then click again to place another keyframe where you want this change to conclude. Once your keyframes are in place, switch back to the selection tool. This is an essential step, as attempting to drag and adjust the speed while you're still in the pen tool won't work correctly. Now that you're in the selection tool, you're free to manipulate the speed line. Drag a segment up if you want the clip to speed up, and drag it down if you're aiming for a slowed down, dramatic effect. Remember, the steeper the slope of the line, the more pronounced the speed change will be. If you're after smooth transitions rather than sudden jumps, you'll need to add a touch of finesse. Click on the keyframe you've placed and gently pull the little handles outward. These ramp handles will make sure the speed change elegantly eases in and out, instead of snapping harshly from one speed to another. Once you've set up your speed changes, play back your video to see how it looks. This is the time to fine-tune everything. You may find that you need to adjust the placement of your keyframes or modify the length of your ramp handles to achieve the effect you want. Pay attention to how it feels. Sometimes minor tweaks can make a world of difference. After experimenting and finding just the right balance, you'll have mastered the art of speed adjustment, adding a cinematic flair to your project. Enjoy your newfound editing skills, and happy editing.